How about a 7-bedroom villa on a white sandy beach? Yes. Right there. St. Croix Yacht Club here. Buck Island there. Duggan's Reef Restaurant. You could walk to Duggan's for dinner every night. What could be better than that? Irish whiskey lobster at Duggan's. The best. Good old Frank, he'll take care of you. So we're right here on this beach where this beautiful home sits. It's currently for sale and for rent. It's booked almost continuously. As you can see, the access is very simple up these steps. You get a nice natural setting here with coconut palms, looking out over Teague Bay, all the boats that are moored here. Direct shot at Buck. You could put some furniture out here and really dress it up if you wanted to get crazy. But this property is used primarily as a vacation rental now. It rents for, I think, around $1,299 a month. And it's booked a lot. I would say it's booked probably better part of each month, probably 20 to 25 days a month. So this thing really cash flows. Great spot for a family home, family compound, a vacation rental if you wanted to, you know, book out the weeks that you want to use it and then rent it the rest of the time. This thing will literally pay for itself. It's very rare you get 7 bedrooms in such a great spot right on a sandy beach. I mean, you just imagine hanging out by the pool with your family and your friends, jamming some tunes, put up the umbrella, catch a little shade. So you come up this way, you got a big side yard to the west, another huge yard to the east. So lots of room for dogs, kids. Miss Scheuer's demonstrating the Adirondack. But look at this nice long covered veranda. There's 2 of these. There's another one on the other end of the house. Nice double French doors that open up. We opened up a couple sets of them, but you can imagine if these were all opened, you got what, 5, 6 sets of these, you'd have a nice open feeling. Look at the ceilings in here. Exposed beams, nice built-in shelving. Watch the Super Bowl right there while you check out the Caribbean Sea. Seating for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You got a wet bar with some refrigerator drawers here. Ice maker there. All custom built mahogany. Chef's kitchen. Lots of space. Viking hood. Dual dishwashers, one to the right and one to the left. Got a nice sink in the island. Food warmer. Freezer and fridge, sub-zero. Super nice. Little place here to put your car keys and sunglasses and such. Now on this end is what used to be the nanny's room. The original owner of this house had a lot of kids, and he would have the nanny reside in this side. But this could also be set up as a game room. You know, if you wanted to make it maybe even a kid's room, a video game room, home theater room. As it's a rental right now, they're maximizing the number of bedrooms, but you could certainly convert this into a separate playroom of sorts with its own entry out to the patio. Or a nanny room, if you wanted. You do have a full bath, shower. So 1 bedroom, 1 bath here. And then out this way is the snorkel gear room, what we call the wet room, where we store all of the pool chairs, beach chairs rather, and cooler and that sort of thing. 2-car garage with generator out there. We'll get there in a minute. Okay, so that's this west end. Now we'll head over to the entry foyer, twin AC units in the living room. So here's your front door. In fact, let's go out, take a quick peek at the garage, and then we'll come back. So this is how you would come in, obviously you've got a big parking area here, 2-car garage with a large propane generator in that building there. Nice concrete driveway. Just a nice villa. Good sized villa. This is not a small house. This is for somebody that wants a lot of space, has a lot of friends or a big family. So you would come into this entry area and you're met with these mahogany stairs. Obviously that's the section we were just in. You have another door that leads straight out to the covered veranda. So if you wanted to go straight out that way, you could as well. And then it connects back to the living room. Storage under the stairs. 2 master suites in this house. Love that. Which is kind of unique. So if you've got, say, 2 families that come down to have a vacation, mom and dad can have their own master suite. Those are like 20-foot ceilings right there. And then the kids will have the guest bedrooms, which I'll show you in a second. And then each master suite has its own patio. There's the other patio off the other master suite. Got AC, TV, and then there's an upper loft that actually has air conditioning. A previous owner used this as an office, actually. He set up a desk up here, and this was his workspace. There's the AC unit. Looks down into the master bath. So this would make great loft storage, or if you had a young whippersnapper rug rat, this could be their little hideout. So you could kind of keep an eye on them. Make it a little playhouse or something. Storage under the stairs. Again, lots of built-in mahogany cabinetry here. Nice big arched window looking out to the south. And then you've got a big vanity on the right side here and another one on the left. Big glass shower. A lot of space in here. That's the one thing you do not feel cramped in this house at all. And there's the toilet. So that's the first master suite. Let's head back down to the foyer. Another quick look at that awesome custom. I think that's Tibbet. I think the lighter colored wood is Tibbet. Now we're entering the guest wing. So as you come down this hall, to the left on the ocean side is a really big guest bedroom with a view out. Storage under the bench. And then you get a queen size bed there with closet here. AC. This time of year we don't run it. It's so beautiful right now. I think it's about 79 degrees out. Tub for the kiddos. And you'll notice each toilet here has the dual flush. So this uses half as much water as this one. So we call that number 1 and that number 2 for obvious reasons. And then another big playroom, game room area, which suffices for now, but if you wanted to have one at that far end nanny room, you could obviously redo that as we talked about. Owner's closet, storage above. Let me loop back down the hall and show you the other guest bedroom, which is opposite. This would be on the south side. Basically a mirror image of the other one. But this one has a king size bed in it. The other one had a queen. And the ensuite bath, also with tub. Everything's in really nice condition, beautifully cared for. Even though this house does a lot of rentals, the owner takes really good care of maintaining it and keeping everything in good working order. Okay, we're back to the game area, and then you have the laundry with dual washer, dual dryer, utility sink, same beautiful mahogany built-in cabinetry, access to storage above, and then out to another veranda covered. Lots of shade here, so if you want to hang out, you know, people come down, they don't realize the sun here is very intense. The UV rating here is very high, so you can get sunburned. You know, you coming in from Iowa, say, or New England, in an hour you're turning red. So you really need to, you know, stay in the shade for a fair amount of the day. And this house has a lot of shade. Another closet here, and then at the end are 2 more guest bedrooms. This one has a walk-in closet. And a king-size bed. But as you can see, each of these bedrooms are really big. They did not skimp on the square footage here. Beautiful tray ceiling. Double vanity. And then you've got a toilet on this side, shower in the middle, toilet on that side. So it's actually set up pretty nicely for kids that are sharing. They each have a vanity and a toilet, and then they share the shower in between. It's a really good layout. This is set up as a bunk room. You can sleep 4 kiddos in here. Obviously, with the furniture, you can reconfigure it however you want. At the shore, beach house, relax, bathhouse, snack shack, and paradise found. Yes, indeed. Okay, so we've come full circle. Another walk-in closet on this side. And then up the stairs to master bedroom number 2. Nice mahogany steps, treads. Then you've got a high traditional 4-poster. Looks about the same size as the other master. The only difference with this one that's pretty obvious is this patio outside here is much bigger. Probably twice as long, or twice as wide, or twice as, the distance towards the sea is twice as much as that one, at least, maybe 3 times. And then the property line runs to that green fence right there, all the way up to the road. There's your entrance gate coming in. Nice little sitting area there. Double vanity, huge humongous shower with dual heads, his and hers. Your dispensers. More built-ins and another closet here under the stairwell. This also has a loft above. The staircase, I should have shown it to you before, is in here. So you would go up this to another storage loft or kiddos retreat hideaway. But you really can't, you can look far and wide. You might find a house this big with this many bedrooms, but that's located on that kind of a beach. Pristine white sand, protected cove. You've got the long reef running off of Teague Bay that protects the shoreline here. So it's great for paddling. You can set a paddleboard or a kayak in here and paddle around Teague Bay. Take a walk down to Duggan's Reef for lunch, brunch, or dinner, or head up to the yacht club and have some cocktails. But any way you slice it, this place is really set up for a perfect Caribbean St. Croix vacation villa or permanent residence. Just depends on how much square footage you want. So thanks for looking at it with me, and hope you like it. If you want to check it out, give us a buzz. In the meantime, have a great day. Later.